Do you have that friend that has that interest or excitement about like a new hobby or something, and they come to you and they're trying to pull you into it and trying to get you involved because they're just so excited about it? Well, that's me. I'm your friend because if it's not Pokemon, it's Yu-Gi-Oh, and if it's not Yu-Gi-Oh, it's CNFTs. And if you don't know what that means, it stands for Cardano NFTs, and it's just something that I've just been so curious and so interested about joining. And when I did join, I posted my first CNFT pickup, and the community just embraced me with open arms like a long lost brother, like come to the community. You know what I mean? So I want that for you too. I mean, like, I want you to experience what I've experienced because I've made some money. I'm interested. I'm like buying things that I have no clue about, and I don't even know what half the things I'm talking about are. But this video will just serve as something that I'm learning along with you. Like, I'm not an expert in this. I'm just learning, got a lizard brain, but I want to be involved because I met some cool people and got me involved. And so in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the best projects to be involved in, at least what they told me and what I'm into right now. I'm going to share with you my personal wallet. I'm going to show you how I learned how to snipe. I'm going to go through the different websites. I'm going to go through different resources and the exact like why I'm into this right now. If you're new to this channel, my name's Aaron. I'm going to journey with my next Bitcoin. I'm just a wild cowboy out here talking about different ways to make money with crypto, talking in the saloon. Hit the subscribe button if you want to roll with us. Now, let's start maybe with the why. And the why is this: simply because Cardano is a blue chip crypto that is number 9 currently, but went all the way up to like number 3 in the number 3 spot in total like ranking of all cryptos. And if you like really want to compare, Cardano's following, their community is massive. Actually, they've got a huge community of over 1 million followers, and people are not just like kind of about Cardano. They're all in on Cardano. They put their Cardano on their name, get tattoos of it, and all that kind of stuff. And so there's a lot of hype and excitement around Cardano, a lot of dedication to the community, which is something exciting. Also, it's a big community, meaning that there's a lot of stability in it. Number 2 is that it's way cheaper than Ethereum. NFTs were something that I was always interested in, but never really got into because Ethereum priced me out of something that I was just simply interested in. I'm not going to spend a couple $100s to try to learn about something that might not be anything. Like, the cost of learning was too great for me. But on Cardano, everything's so dirt cheap, especially with Cardano at this low price. So I like getting involved in learning with something that doesn't have a lot of price impact on me. And so for those reasons, one's I'm priced out of Ethereum, so I want to learn on Cardano. I don't have a lot of money to learn, so I want to be very frugal and smart with my money. And 2, it's a huge and bustling ecosystem that has a lot of committed members and that has a big future ahead of it, in my opinion. That's what I believe. So that's why I'm in the Cardano ecosystem. Of course, Solana is there. Of course, there are other NFT projects on different chains, but for me, Cardano seems to be one of the best ones to get involved in, and that's why I'm sharing it with you. It's just something that I'm learning right now. Now, let's talk about how to exactly get into Cardano. I use a lizard brain. There are other wallets. I'm sure they're better, but I just use the Nami wallet. I got it from my Brave, and here is my personal wallet. Okay, and these are the projects that I'm into right now. You see, I got one Clay Nation. That's the most expensive one. That's my girlfriend right there. This is someone that is very near and dear to my heart. She's, I share with my heart with her, and so I don't know why she's got a little brain there. She looks like that. This is Yummy Universe. 2 different types of yummies. I'm into some Panda Society, Pendulum. I don't know. Look, okay, Bit Fins and Fudbod and Clay Nation pitches. Look, I've got all kinds of stuff here. All right, still learning which ones are the best. But to me, the 2 that are the best are the Yummy Coins and the Clay Nation. Those are the 2 that really strike a chord with me. This is like CNFT. This is how I like, spot them out and whatever. So, but that's my thing. I probably spent about $6,000 total invested in here. This Cardano lady was about $3,000, and this is probably about $2,000. The Yummies and all these other ones were probably about less than 100. I'm assuming, so like $40 a piece or whatever. And so, are they going to turn into something? Maybe not. One thing that I've learned particularly is that you want to be sure you want to be in the best projects. Like these smaller NFT projects, you probably don't want to be involved in it. Like I'm kind of involved in some of it, and they just really don't have any traction into any of that kind of stuff. So those are the 2. Yummy Universe Narus and Clay Nation. Those are the two that I particularly am playing in. Now, how do you know what's a good deal? How do you shop for a good deal? Okay, so let's just go into CNFT Tools. This is cnft.tools. This is a particular website used for, all the kind of stuff. And so here's how you search it out. So we are looking for this is the top projects that you could see here. Clay Nation pitches. This is like a newer project that just came out in relation to Clay Nation. They're releasing these pitches or these metaverse lands. I personally have one, but it looks like the floor price is at 377 ADA. But let's say like here's Clay Nation right here, this one, and then Yummy Universe is here. Okay, and so Clay Nation and Yummy Universe both coming out with staking, both coming out with metaverses, both have a little bit of ecosystem to it and usability and utility in those ecosystems. So, and not saying that these other ones aren't good, of course they are, but these are the two that I'm particularly in and have particularly researched and have been recommended. Yeah, I'm in those. Okay, so how do you find a good buy? So let's just go to Yummy Universe. They got all these people, right? I'm like, I have no idea how to search what I'm searching for. So I'm gonna go to here. It's like the you're gonna have to use these filters. So I'm gonna filter down by price first. Okay, that's step one, price. And so you see the floor, and floor meaning it's the lowest price for anything in that collection is 460. So I'm gonna take 460. I'm gonna bring in this side menu here, and maximum I'm gonna put in like, let's say about 10% or 20% more than 460. So let's call that at 540. Okay, and that's the maximum price that I'm looking for. And I'm gonna hit go. It's gonna search, and it's found me 10 listings here. Now that I found it by price, I'm gonna this is step 3. I'm gonna sort by rarity, and you see that this little guy with the pirate hat and the pig collared shirt, he is for 500 ADA. Okay, he is ranked 4904. And you can see here that the next closest ranking is 72. That means it outranks this by like, let's say 2,300 points, but it's only 10 ADA more. Okay, and this one outranks 7507 by like 2,500 slots, and it's cheaper than that. So you're seeing that I could essentially things that are going for this price are these levels. So you could essentially kind of use deductive reasoning and say, hey, probably this is at a good deal right now at a ranking at 4904, and that I could probably sell it or flip it for probably about 550, depending on like you're gonna have to search 4904. What are some assets in that class right there? So like we're gonna go to ranking. We're gonna go to 4904, and we're gonna type in like 5,000. No, sorry, 48. Sorry, we're gonna go 4904 here, and then we'll say that's like 4,800. Okay, so go. Okay, so now maybe that was a little too much, but like yeah, these ones 4,800 are probably selling for like let's see on sale. There we go. Selling for about 600 ADA. Here's to 500. Here's the one that we're looking at. So this is like anything in its neighborhood. So we could probably sell this for 600 ADA. That's what I'm saying. So you know what I'm saying. So you see how I measured out these, compare these. So this one looks like to be a nice little buy. Nice. And if you're looking at this video and you're an expert at NFT flipping, especially in the CNFT world, let me know if that was a good call. If this is a good technique. I learned this myself from a gentleman. I'll reveal to you who that is. A good resource at the end of this video. But here's another one that I learned. CNFTjungle.io, and let's just take Yummy as well. Yummy, and then here's Yummy Universe, and this is another way to snipe. So one of the utilities for these Yummy, these NFTs, is the ability to staking rewards. So we're gonna go staking rewards on sale, okay? And so we have here staking rewards high to low. And then we're gonna say like we're gonna filter by price, and we're gonna say by like 600 apply. And so the key is using these things. And here's our dude again right there with the polo and the guy. It's the same one for 500, and you can see here that for 500 ADA, if you stake him, he's gonna make 23.71 yummy for you, compared to 23, or 20.84. This ADA, this one's going for 99 more ADA than this is, but this one gets more stake rewards back, so more yummy rewards back. So hopefully that is like that makes sense. Hopefully that's lizard brain enough for like just simple enough to like, okay, this makes sense. I'm gonna spend my time buying the cheapest NFT that yields the highest results, or it's higher in rarity. There's a correlation with rarity and how much it's staking and how much yield that you get back. So that's always super important. Now, a few resources to check out here is one, Tal Crypto. He's the one who taught me how to snipe these things out, especially that first technique going on the CNFT tools. Tal Crypto, go ahead and follow him. He's only got like 1,600 followers. He's always holding spaces. He's crazy in the CNFT. He's like a CNFT whale. So yeah, he's definitely bullish on this, and he's definitely someone to follow because he's got his ear to the ground. He's got his pulse is. He's like, I don't even know what's going on in the rest of the world. So I'm like, okay. The next one is Freedom 35. These guys are friends of mine. Lazy T, one of the gentlemen in this group, they have long form podcasts and they have timestamps, and so they're always in the know, always talking. And Tommy definitely knows, he's a bit of a genius when it comes to CNFTs. So definitely follow these two guys, Tal Crypto, he's in Spaces, and Freedom 35 long form podcast format. Now, here's a special giveaway for anyone who's made it this far into the video. Thank you so much for learning along with me. I'm doing my giveaway here on a ViFi NFT token. So I'm going to be giving away this token. Let's see if I could pull that back up. This thing right here. It's a NFT that you could use to stake on the ViFi platform, ViFi.io. You go on the platform, you could stake that, and you could earn back money right now, like tokens right now. And so how you do that is you have to sign up for crypto.com. It's a free account. It's totally free. And all you have to do is go to this latest giveaway, Vi Finance NFT giveaway, and then it tells you a little bit about it. Visit the website, whatever, and then just give me your Nami wallet address or your Cardano wallet address. I should probably change that to your Cardano wallet address, and I'll be picking a winner on my next live stream. Maybe like next two. Give it some time. I'm not sure when I'm going to do my live stream next, but go ahead and do that. That's just something for you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for learning with me as I learn. The CNFT community, thank you so much for welcoming me, especially the Yummy guys and the Clan Nation. Both of you guys, both those communities have been really warm and welcoming. If it's something that's interesting to you, check out the links down below. Check out these other websites. Check out those two, definitely, Tal Crypto and Freedom 35. Thanks for watching. Lizard Brain, guys. Get into good projects, and I'll see you in the next video.